change the password to Dumbo. And then the user agent right here is this long line that goes over the what kind of browser we're connecting with. And we're obviously not actually connecting with Mozilla anymore. We are going to be connecting with Python. And I think you wanted it uppercase, Sam? No, lowercase Python. So we changed the get parameters to Dumbo and Dumbo for the username and password. The user agent is now Python. We're going to write it, run it again. User agent incorrect. Uh-oh. I am certain my user agent is actually correct, Sam. User agent Python. Maybe it's because it's that \r with the new server. Do you think that could be it? I don't.
Got it, but let's see.
New browser send request doesn't understand. No. These are working correctly. User agent is Python. Uh-oh, Sam, I think there's something wrong on your end.
No, I don't think so. Let me give it a try. See if I can.
Username, password, but no user agent incorrect. Yeah, this is the correct user agent, Sam.
Yeah, try catching it in Wireshark. That's usually how you get to the
okay.
This kind of thing.
Okay, yeah, it's port 80. We can do that really easily. Where's Wireshark?
Oh, Burp will do. Yeah,
it's a little harder to do in well, we could. Yeah, so in order to catch it in Burp, oops.
Wait, I think, no, it's not a GET request. You're going to the wrong page.
Yeah.
You've got to use a post and you got to go to a different login page. That's the problem.
Oh, a different page. I see. Wait, no.
Post.
Not
a GET.
I am.
So you're close. Go back to your script.
No, look, Sam,
yeah,
if I log into that page.
Yeah, but that's login 1. Login 2 uses post. Yep, catch it in.
Oh, I see. Yeah. I was on the wrong page.
Yep, on the wrong page and using the wrong method.
And use the wrong message. Oh, okay. So that makes it. It might help if we're trying to use the right. If we're on the right page. Okay.
But the good thing is someone wanted a recording, and now I'm recording, and we are going to get a whole story now. So.
Okay, excellent. So if we type in the username here as test user, and we're still going. Oh, actually, you know what? We need to do this in my attack browser because that goes through Burp. So we're going to open up my browser that goes through Burp and go to the right web page. Test1, test user, test password. We're going to log in. And it said login rejected. So we're going to go to the bottom of my Burp proxy. And aha, we do have a post here. So we're going to send a post request with the username and password set to Dumbo, and the user agent set to Python. So let's use these triple quotes in Python to create a multi-line string that contains our HTTP header. So we'll paste in the entire HTTP header. And there's an extra line between each of these lines. And because the server is wonky, we need a \r at the end of each line to say, so the \r is an escape character. In certain formats, sometimes you can have simply a new line character to denote a new line. Other times you need a return carriage in a new line. Just remember that a lot of these old ASCII conventions come from the days of teletype and typewriters. In which case, when you wanted a new line, you would do a return carriage and new line.
And there's you don't need it there.
Oh, I don't, okay.
Yeah.
Perfect. Oh, that, because the content length. So let us get rid of the gzip encoding so we actually get text back. So we're going to get rid of that line. We're going to set our user agent to Python. Agent is Python. And then we're going to change our host data to Dembo and Dembo. Let's make sure we're going to the right page. Target one, Bound Consulting. Yep. Dembo and Dembo. Now, here's the thing with post requests. You also have a content length. So we're posting data to the website of a certain length. And we can just count it out here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So our content length is going to be 15. We're going to write it and test it out. Oh, there we go.
Wow, neat.
Just worked like that.
Yeah.
So the trick are these triple quotes, and to add the return carriage escape character.
Yeah, neat.
Yeah, sorry, I was trying to hack the wrong page there for a second.
I'll shave